Hello, fifth grade. I hope you're having a wonderful week. This week has been all about exploring volume. We're really looking at three-dimensional shapes that are rectangular, okay? So we're really looking at the volume of rectangular structures. Okay? We've been doing this by counting unit cubes and by looking at different layers. Today we are really going to focus on coming up with an equation to determine the volume of these rectangular shapes using this vocabulary: volume, length, height, cubes, layers, and width. Okay? So again, our focus today is coming up with an equation to determine the volume of any size rectangular shape. It could be a rectangular as big as your house or apartment. It could be a rectangular as big as a treasure chest, or as small as those tooth containers school gives you when you have your teeth fall out. Okay? We're going to be coming up with that equation. But first, let's kind of review what we were working on yesterday. Yesterday was all about layers. I asked you guys to look at rectangular structures and think, how can I split a rectangular structure into different layers? By looking at the front face, the top face, or the side face of that structure. Today we're going to be focusing on the base layer, or the bottom layer of our rectangular structures. So this is our base layer. In order to find volume, we know we need to count the cubes in that layer. So how many cubes are in this base layer? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? Now I have this base layer, it has 12 in it. But if I wanted to fill the entire structure, how many layers of 12 do I need? See, we have our first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer. So we have a base layer, or the base area of our structure, is 12. Our height, or how many layers I need, are 4. When I multiply those together, I'm going to get 48. Yay! Okay, let's take a look at this next one. Again, I need to figure out how many cubes are in the base layer. What's the bottom area of my structure, the base layer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many layers of 8 do I need to stack up in order to reach the top of my structure? Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I need 6 layers of 8 cubes. So I'm going to get 6 times 8 is 48. So my volume is 48 cubic centimeters. Let's try one more before you try one on your own. Let's think. I need to find the area of the base, or how many cubes are in the base layer. So let's look. Our base layer has how many total cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 in our base layer, a bottom area. But how many layers do I need to stack on top of each other to fill my entire structure? Or what is the height going to be? 1, 2, 3. I would need 3 layers of 12. If I had 3 layers of 12 cubes, I would need 36 total cubes.